Hey guys, my name's Quentin. We're back in our garage again. As you can see, those light covers look a little bit different. I know they're for the older Sears Craftsman openers. I actually bought those two light covers. Actually, you know what? I actually got those two light covers for my birthday. Um uh so um so I was going to make a video of our Craftsman garage door opener with these two light covers on. I put those on there last month, but I was about to make a video to show you guys how interesting those light covers are installed uniquely on this model. But unfortunately, I couldn't do that the last time. I couldn't take a video of the garage door opener with those two light covers the last time because I had a stubborn cat in our garage that kept refusing to go back in the house. But then she got used to it a few days ago. Saturday evening, I was using one of the traps the cat trap to put Mira back in the house. And I had to take her inside of the house, but unfortunately she got a little bit but she got very upset and she was meowing kind of like she got really upset at my dad. She got really mad at him for letting her in the house, but we were very excited to put her back in the house. She's doing okay inside of our house for now, but she wasn't too happy about it a few days ago. Well, and that's all I have to say. But my cat Mira is doing okay. I have the video of her meowing inside my room. And then maybe you can see it. Well, let's just focus in on the opener for now. I know I've been talking a lot about my cat in the garage. Well, you may know the model number the last time if you've seen it. The model number is a 139.57915, manufactured of August 10th, 2018. Okay, I'm trying to close the light cover here. There we go. Okay. Here, let me put the ladder back so that it's out of the way in case if my mom or my dad needs to take this car out of the garage. Okay, so well, anyway, without further ado, We're not going to be using the remote this time, but the remote is in the Toyota Camry. But except for the keypad out there, we'll just use the wall button today and the keypad as well. Let's open the garage door with the wall button first. And here we go. It is a DC belt drive. I think the door is a little bit louder than the opener. The opener does work still. Okay, now let's close the garage door with the wall button, and here we go. Try to okay, that's our snowblower. It's kind of slightly in my way. Here, I'll move it. I'll move it away from me. Too heavy. Okay. Now let's open the garage door again, and here we go. Excuse me. Okay, now let's close the garage door with the keypad outside. And here we go. Okay, now let's run the garage door opener one more time with the keypad, but I can't show you the code. I know I know those two light covers are very unique. They're actually for like an older Craftsman garage door opener. Okay, well, anyway, without further ado, let's close the garage door one more time using the wall button again. And here we go. Okay. I think that's enough for now. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe. And I know those light covers are kind of a unique way to install those on this opener. Well, hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and always take care, everyone. Peace out. Bye.